All right, Celebrity Cruise Lines has made a change to their vaccination requirements for upcoming cruises, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So honestly, it never fails when it comes to cruising. Last week we did videos updating health and safety protocols for different cruise lines, and one of them that we did was Celebrity Cruise Lines. So wouldn't you know it, less than a week later, we've got a change in Celebrity Cruise Lines health and safety protocols. So we're going to do a video here to update on what those changes are. So effective February the 1st, 2022, all children ages 5 and above will have to be fully vaccinated on Celebrity cruise ships. Now, children ages 2 through 4 will still have to get a PCR test taken 3 days prior to sailing in order to board the ship, but everybody 5 and above will have to be fully vaccinated. Now, Celebrity Cruise Lines is the second cruise lines to do this. Disney Cruise Lines already announced that they're going to require everybody ages 5 and above to be fully vaccinated starting on January the 13th of 2022. And so far, no other cruise lines have made that announcement that they are going to require vaccinations for everybody ages 5 and above. Now, essentially, Norwegian Cruise Lines already has that policy in place because they require 100% vaccinations for anybody that sails on their cruise ships. And so does Princess Cruise Lines. You have to be fully vaccinated for sailing on Princess as well. So they essentially already have that policy in place without coming out and making any changes or saying, hey, we're going to make, everybody 5 and above be vaccinated. So far, the only two, like I said, that have said that so far is Disney Cruise Lines for January the 13th, and now Celebrity Cruise Lines for February the 1st of 2022. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise protocol update. If you have, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.